knowledge necessary to thrive in an increasingly complex and technologically advanced world. The key components of initiative are as follows. First, intellectual property and technology business management, led by Professor Jalen Wood, and supported by PTBL, aims to enhance the university's innovation capacity by effectively managing intellectual property and fostering technology-driven business ventures. For careers, remember that protecting
philosophy, our university president.
Madam President, upon recommendation of the deans of the different colleges and as the campus director, I have the honor to present 539 candidates for graduation of the San Salvador State University Katipunan campus as follows: 109 College of Agriculture and Forestry, 111 College of Business Administration, 48 College of Computing Studies, 146 College of Teacher Education, 115 College of Criminal Justice Education, and 10 School of Engineering for your confirmation.
With the recommendation and certification of your respective program chairs, associate deans, and the presentation of your campus director, that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements of your respective curriculum, as approved by the JRMH Board of Regents, Referendum Resolution Number 05 Series of 2024, and by virtue of the authority vested upon me as the University President, I hereby confirm you graduates and confer you your respective degrees and certificates of proficiency. I further recommend that you are now entitled to a diploma and certificate respectively, with all the rights and privileges appertaining hereto. Congratulations!